Alright guys, so I ordered this hood in July of 2024. This is the J's Racing hood for the DC2 Integra. It's been 13 months now, it's finally here. I had originally ordered the version where it's carbon fiber on top and fiberglass underneath, but due to an ordering mistake on J's Racing's part, they upgraded me to the full carbon top and bottom version. So the Varus hood is better in quality, it's more rigid, and the weave pattern is almost flawless on it. This J's Racing one, made by First Molding, does have a few issues, but it's incredibly light. It feels like under 10 pounds for sure. When you open it up, the carbon on the bottom looks incredible. It does have some blemishes. I'll be running these Zero Fighter bonnet hood dampers and these top fuel hood pins. So what do you guys think? Was it worth the wait?